Okay, so I just got out of the shower and I'm gonna show you how I use this. I do not own a hairdryer. I use this to dry my hair and to style it and to just smooth it out and make it look like I just walked out of a salon. And I just use this. So I love this thing. If I want to add curls later, I can, but this blow dries my hair and styles it all in one. It's amazing. And just so you know, I have not brushed my hair at all. Like, this is straight out of the shower. It's really knotted right now. I'll show you how this brushes my hair and dries it all at the same time, so I don't have to do double the work. Okay, so now my hair is brushed. You can see it's not knotted at all anymore. And I used that to brush my hair. So no need for a brush and no need for a hairdryer. Okay, so I'm all done. I used it to dry my hair and you can see, like, look at how much volume I have. Like, and I didn't even really like go crazy because I'm shooting this video and I didn't want to spend too much time, but like, it gave me such volume. You see here at the top? I don't know if you can see, but my hair is like bouncy at the top. And then if I want to go in and like really get serious, I'll use it and I'll curl in the ends. Oh, it's still a little damp even. It's not even done. But I just kind of will like soften the ends. But my hair, you know, I used to like dye it blonde on the ends and my hair is like so dead on the ends, but I'm trying to grow it long. And it just makes the ends of your hair look so much healthier and it feels really silky. It's just such a nice feeling. After you use this, it feels like you went to the salon and had your hair blown out. So now I'll probably just like curl the ends and I'm good. I have so much volume in my hair now. It feels amazing. I love it.